Hello, my name is Craig Bringer. I'm with Group 2. I'm going to try to quickly give a rundown of our project. This is about my third attempt. I keep taking too long. So this is a landing page. When you're logged in, or when you're not logged in, you still have access to some features, such as the job search that you can use by a keyword. System will say it searches for occurrence of that word in the job title or in the job description here. As you can see, there it is. And then there's a link for each job here to the company's profile. And the company has a list of all the jobs they've posted. So back here, we'll go candidate search. We'll go John and Sarah. These words are evaluated individually for occurrences. So here's John Smith, Sarah Matthews, Jonathan Rasmussen. Oh yeah, and you can click. You can click their profiles to view their pages. I'm sorry, you can click the links to view their pages. There's a stock picture right here. Email, name. If you're logged in, more information appears, such as a link to be able to contact them over here. And depending on the type of user that you're logged in as, you can also view their search results. And if they have uploaded a resume, there will be a link to view their resume from here also. But this is like a blank candidate right here with no resume, hasn't taken a survey, and we're not logged in, so we can't send them a message. So now I will, okay, well, to already do a job search all jobs, we'll just click one, Java developer, job description here. Yeah, I already did this, sorry. So anyway, now we'll sign up. I'll show you signing up as a candidate rather than a company. It's quicker, there's less information to give. We'll go Herbie Hancock, hancock@gmail.com. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have all the passwords set as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But for this one, I'll show you doing an incorrect confirmation. You get a flash message. There's other flash messages for the other information also. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay, so now we're prompted to sign in. hancock@gmail.com. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we land on the page here. There's no matches because we haven't taken the survey yet to get matched with jobs. So we'll do that. Oops, looks like you haven't taken the survey. Let's do it. So I'll just do this randomly. The algorithm requires candidates to take the survey like this. And for every job that a company posts, they take the same survey, except that they weight each answer here according to importance. I'll show you that later. But based off of how much importance they give each question carries a given amount of weight in the algorithm. Finish. Notification saying stuff like good job, home. So now we have these matches here. These are the top 5. And I will show you the top one. We'll go Java Architect. I have a 71% match. The company name, the location. You can click the job to view the job description here. You can click here to go view the company again also, or you can apply. Hey, it's been submitted. And click back to go to all of your jobs. So yeah, this goes to the company's profile. That's the only job they've posted. It happens to be my top match. So now I will upload a profile picture from the desktop. Hey, look at that. And here we are, Herbie Hancock. Upload a resume. He has a resume right here, ready to go. Quick description, whatever. Fake resume, obviously. So now if you click home, the page shows that you've completed the survey. You have to wait 30 days to take it again. And your current resume, kind of a scrunched picture. Here's the job description. If you click that, you can view it, and you can also edit it or delete it, which I guess I'll delete it just to show you the functionality. Hey, it's been deleted. Okay, so now you can upload another one. These navbar links, if you click Jobby, you can go back to the landing page and do searches. If you click job matches, it's all your jobs. The top 25 matches only ranked from best to worst. If you click this, it goes to your public profile. So now it's updated with a profile picture. I'm going to upload a resume again real quick to show that that link appears. Okay, so now if I click my public profile, the link is there. View resume, a public view of it, so you can't edit or delete it. And you may be asking why the picture doesn't appear here in the nav bar. That was an issue that I tried to tackle for hours, but wasn't able to get it to refresh that template, the layout template, without logging out and then logging back in. So now you can see it's there. You can click on it, edit it, or delete it. Okay, so now I'll log out. I already showed you registration for a candidate, so now we'll just log in as a company over here. I know that this company has a handful of jobs posted. So here's the top matches on the left here. So these are matches between any of the jobs posted, all of the best ones sorted from best to worst. And these jobs down here are the top 5 most recent jobs posted. This company only has 4, but I'll show you posting a job. So actually, this link says keep posting. It only says that because we've already posted. If this were a new account, it would say make your first job post. But so anyway, quick job, something, job description. Okay. So this is where I said you can weight each question according to importance for you. If it's a low priority, it doesn't figure into the algorithm. If it's high, it carries more weight. Average is the average amount of weight, I suppose. Okay, takes a while to do this, so I'm just gonna make a bunch of them low priority because it takes time to click everything. Yeah. Okay, just get through this. Wah. Okay, and the last 2, low priority, whatever. Finish. Matches are being calculated or generated. And boom, so go home. You can see that that was the most recent job. You can click it to go to the job description, or you can click view matches, and you can see that 65% is the best match, with 50% being the worst match. So now I guess I'll view this person's page. You, as a logged in company, can view the survey results, all of the questions with their ratings. However, if this candidate had also uploaded a profile or a resume, that link would be there. You can contact them here by saying, hey, I want to hire you. Submit, and then that's that. So now I'll log out and log in as the administrator. Admin. So I guess for the sake of you testing this, this is the only administrator login. It's admin@jobby.com, password 123456. From here, you have access to the landing page with all the searches. There is no public profile, so this isn't clickable. But the main function is the dashboard. So there's predefined queries for candidates, companies, and jobs. If we click Find All Jobs, here are all the jobs with their ID, the company ID that posted them, job name, and job description. If you click the job posting, it takes you there. From there, you can go to the company profile, navigate through the site. But anyway, so here's a dashboard again. Find all candidates. So all of the data for candidates that we input, we have a ton of accounts in here, but the data is in the ones down here for some reason. So here's candidates. You can click to go to their profile. You can see that we have passwords encrypted on the database. The role ID is 2, the name is candidate. That was user authentication stuff. And you can click here to go view the resume. You can't click the profile picture because you can see the picture right there. There's no public view for it, or a large page dedicated to it, I guess. So let's see. This is candidate 102. So I'll go up to the top quickly. Find candidate by ID 102. Oop, 2. Okay, there he is. So we can see that his company, or his activation status, his account is currently enabled. So let's deactivate it or disable it. Candidate ID 102. It's been deactivated. His activation status is disabled. And I've made another flash switch. If it's already disabled, then whatever. It says it's already deactivated or deactivated. Yeah. So now you can delete. Let's delete this account. 102. Whoops. There's a certain order of. What? That shouldn't have happened. Find candidate by ID 102. Here it is. Delete 102. There's a problem there. I'm sorry I just did that earlier, and I think I edited a line of code in there that made it not work, but I don't want to make this video again and fix that one line. So anyway, find jobs. Let's look at job 1. Oh, there is no job. So job 2. Okay, there's a 2. There we go. Let's see if delete for this works. Okay, it was deleted. So now if you find this job 2, it's not there anymore. All right, and that is about it. Thank you. Oh, actually, I'm going to show you installation instructions. So, say you have downloaded the file that I uploaded into the Dropbox, and you have navigated into the folder where it exists right here. These are all the files for the project. You'll notice this file here it's a jar file. If you type this command, on a Mac at least, all of these commands I'm doing here are maybe specific for a Mac, I'm not sure. Java, you want to add this to your class path. That file right there, and then you type org.h2.tools.capital-S on the word server. My internet's pretty slow at home, so it takes a while, but so this brings up the database in a window, and this Java database connectivity URL right here, you will want to make the absolute path to a database file, which I'll show you right here. In the project, if you come to the top, this is IntelliJ, by the way. This folder called data, this is the Jobby database file. On Macs, at least, when you just go to your root directory, you can see that, here I'll back up one. So I'm in users, and I was in Craig Bringer here. So this is like the top root directory, I guess. If you go into users, into Craig Bringer, this is what is considered the beginning of the absolute path, at least on a Mac. But so in the project here, you will need to go to, sorry, let me close a bunch of these. You will need to go to resources. In resources, there's a file called app properties. Each of us that worked on the project here have commented out each other's paths to that Jobby database file. But this right here, you'll start to get it to work on your machine, you type jdbc://localhost : and then your absolute path to that file wherever it is on your machine. So this entire thing here, starting with JDBC, is the URL that you will enter in right here in order to be able to view the database content from a browser. So right here you can see all of our tables, all of the fields within those tables. You can run queries like select star from candidate. And my internet's super slow at home, but there are all the candidates that we have. So that is necessary to run the program on your own machine at home. And then in IntelliJ, I'll just explain this quickly. You want to go View, Tool Windows, open the Gradle view, which is this window over here. In Tasks Application, there's Boot Run. And I just had to kill the program because it was already running. But as soon as it quits, okay, there. You can run it by clicking Boot Run. And so long as you have already connected to the database with this URL by running that command in the terminal and use this URL as the destination for the Java database file or Jobby database file, then the program will run. It takes a minute. It's taking longer than usual, but it'll be okay. Okay, so down here it says Start Application. So now if you navigate to a browser, go to localhost 8080, there's our landing page. All right, thank you. Sorry this video was so extremely long.